Human ingenuity has led to the realization of projects that once seemed impossible, pushing the boundaries of architecture, engineering, and technology. Over the centuries, incredible feats of construction have transformed landscapes, economies, and even cultures. This article explores 10 of the most unbelievable construction projects in the world, achievements that turned impossible dreams into possible realities. 1. The Great Wall of China. Perhaps one of the most iconic construction projects in human history, the Great Wall of China is a testament to ancient engineering, ambition, and perseverance. Originally built to protect the Chinese Empire from northern invaders, the wall stretches over 13,000 miles across rugged terrain, including deserts, mountains, and plains. Construction began as early as the 7th century BC, but most of what stands today was built during the Ming Dynasty, 1368 to 1644. The sheer scale of the project was astonishing for its time, considering the primitive tools available. Workers used whatever materials were available locally, including earth, bricks, wood, and stones. At its peak, more than 1 million people were involved in building the wall. Today, it stands as one of the most famous landmarks in the world and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. What makes this construction even more incredible is its longevity, having withstood centuries of weathering and human conflict. 2. Burj Khalifa, Dubai, United Arab Emirates. The Burj Khalifa in Dubai is a symbol of modern architectural prowess, standing as the tallest building in the world at 828 meters, 2,717 feet. Completed in 2010, the construction of this skyscraper defied the odds, given the unique challenges posed by such an ambitious height. The tower incorporates cutting-edge design and technology, including a sophisticated wind tunnel testing process to ensure structural stability. The materials used are of the highest quality, with the exterior cladding alone covering an area equivalent to 17 football fields. The Burj Khalifa houses luxury residences, corporate suites, hotels, and observation decks, setting the standard for future skyscrapers. It not only defied the laws of engineering but also put Dubai on the map as a global city of innovation. 3. The Panama Canal. The Panama Canal, completed in 1914, was one of the most ambitious and challenging engineering projects of the early 20th century. Connecting the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans, this 82-kilometer, 51-mile-long waterway revolutionized global trade by significantly reducing travel time for ships. Before the canal, ships had to travel around the southern tip of South America, a dangerous and time-consuming journey. The construction of the Panama Canal required cutting through mountains, diverting rivers, and creating a series of locks to raise and lower ships as they passed through the canal. The tropical climate, heavy rainfall, and rampant disease, especially malaria and yellow fever, killed thousands of workers. However, the eventual success of the project changed the course of maritime history and stands as one of the greatest civil engineering feats ever. 4. Channel Tunnel, Channel. The Channel Tunnel, or Channel, is a 50.45-kilometer, 31.35-mile underwater rail tunnel that connects Folkestone in the United Kingdom with Coquelles in France beneath the English Channel. The project began in 1988 and was completed in 1994, with trains first carrying passengers in 1994. It is the longest undersea portion of any tunnel in the world, with 37.9 kilometers, 23.5 miles of it located beneath the sea. The channel stands out not only for its scale but also for the difficulties involved in boring through different geological layers and dealing with the constant risk of flooding. The tunnel allows for the seamless movement of goods and people between the two countries and is a remarkable achievement of collaboration between two nations as well as a marvel of modern engineering. 5. Three Gorges Dam, China. The Three Gorges Dam on the Yangtze River in China is the largest hydroelectric power station in the world. The idea of taming the Yangtze dates back to the early 20th century, but construction only began in 1994 and was completed in 2012. The dam is 2.3 kilometers, 1.4 miles long and 185 meters, 607 feet high, and its reservoir stretches over 600 kilometers, 373 miles upstream. The scale of the project is mind-boggling. It required the displacement of over 1.3 million people and submerged entire cities. However, the dam generates enough electricity to power tens of millions of homes and businesses, and it has significantly reduced the risk of floods downstream. The environmental and social costs of the dam have sparked significant debate, but the sheer scale of the engineering challenge is undeniably remarkable. 6. The International Space Station, ISS. The International Space Station, ISS, is a testament to the power of international cooperation, as well as human ingenuity. Assembled in low Earth orbit, the ISS has been continually inhabited since November 2000. It is a joint project of NASA, Roscosmos, JAXA, Japan, ESA, Europe, and CSA, Canada. The ISS travels at a speed of 28,000 km per hour, 17,500 miles per hour, and orbits the Earth every 90 minutes. It serves as a laboratory for scientific research in a microgravity environment, enabling experiments that are impossible to conduct on Earth. The station's construction required the launch and assembly of hundreds of components, each designed to fit together perfectly in space. It is one of the most significant achievements in human history, proving that construction projects are not limited to Earth. 7. Palm Jumeirah, Dubai, United Arab Emirates. Palm Jumeirah in Dubai is an artificial archipelago, one of the most audacious land reclamation projects ever undertaken. Shaped like a palm tree, this island complex was built using millions of tons of sand and rock dredged from the bottom of the Persian Gulf. Construction began in 2001, and the first residences were ready in 2006. Palm Jumeirah is home to luxury hotels, resorts, residences, and marinas, making it one of the most desirable and expensive locations in the world. The challenges included ensuring the island's stability, given that it was built on sand in an area prone to water erosion. The innovative use of technology and engineering, including GPS systems to accurately position materials, helped turn what seemed like an impossible dream into reality. 8. Millau Viaduct, France. The Millau Viaduct in southern France is the tallest bridge in the world, standing at 343 meters, 1,125 feet, at its highest point, taller than the Eiffel Tower. Spanning the Tarn River Valley, it stretches 2.46 kilometers, 1.53 miles, and is part of the A75 motorway between Paris and Barcelona. Completed in 2004, the construction of the Millau Viaduct was an immense technical challenge due to the height of the bridge and the difficult terrain. It was built using a technique called incremental launching, where sections of the bridge were assembled on land and then slid into place. The bridge is a marvel of modern engineering and has become a symbol of French innovation. 9. Hoover Dam, United States. The Hoover Dam, completed in 1936, was one of the greatest feats of civil engineering during the early 20th century. Located on the border between Nevada and Arizona, the dam holds back the Colorado River to create Lake Mead, the largest man-made reservoir in the United States. Standing at 221 meters, 726 feet tall and 379 meters, 1,244 feet long, the dam provides water and hydroelectric power to millions of people in the southwestern U.S. The project faced significant challenges, including extreme heat and the sheer amount of concrete required, enough to build a two-lane highway from San Francisco to New York. The Hoover Dam was a symbol of American ingenuity and determination during the Great Depression and remains an iconic structure today. 10. The Large Hadron Collider, LHC, Switzerland de France. The Large Hadron Collider, LHC, located at CERN near Geneva, Switzerland, is the largest and most powerful particle accelerator in the world. Completed in 2008, the LHC consists of a 27-kilometer, 16.8-mile ring of superconducting magnets buried deep underground, straddling the border between Switzerland and France. The LHC was built to explore fundamental questions about the universe by smashing particles together at near the speed of light. This extraordinary piece of machinery operates at temperatures colder than outer space and requires an unprecedented level of precision to function. The construction of the LHC involved more than 10,000 scientists and engineers from around the world, and its discoveries, including the confirmation of the Higgs boson particle, have revolutionized our understanding of physics. Conclusion. These 10 unbelievable construction projects showcase the power of human creativity and determination to turn the impossible into reality. From ancient marvels like the Great Wall of China to cutting-edge scientific endeavors like the Large Hadron Collider, these achievements have shaped not only the physical world but also the course of human history. These projects remind us of the limitless potential of human ambition when combined with engineering, technology, and vision. Each stands as a monument to what can be accomplished when people refuse to accept the limits of possibility.